Hey, this is Ryan from Thriving Wellness. I'm a functional medicine practitioner, naturopath, and clinical nutritionist, and I love creating content. I love putting out videos and really informational stuff that can help serve others, but I hate the whole selfie angle. It always makes me look like shit, and this is a game changer. I'm using the product called the Sphere, and it allows me to put my phone literally any angle, anywhere in my house, and it's amazing for traveling, so you don't have to carry around a clunky tripod or pay a videographer to get your footage. You can literally put this up in your Airbnb or wherever you're at and get amazing content hands-free, and it has been an absolute game changer for me as I create videos for YouTube and all sorts of other platforms. So I highly suggest you get one for yourself. They're super affordable, and it has been the biggest tool in my tool chest when it comes to filming great videos while on the go, visiting other places, and even at home when I'm just trying to get a good video and not spend all this time setting up camera equipment and all things like that. So support this Kickstarter campaign. This product is a game changer. You're gonna love it, and you will be so happy you did.